Hey guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Millennium Tower in Salford Keys to show you this lovely one-bedroom apartment. As we head inside, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway. On your right, there is a utility cupboard. Straight on, you'll find the spacious double bedroom, benefiting from lovely views. Just out there, off the balcony. As we flow on through, we go into this contemporary three-piece suite for the bathroom. As you can see, a really nice standard. Flowing on through, we've got a good sized, open plan kitchen, living and dining space. A new kitchen installed back in 2022, so Wren kitchen. And then again, several windows letting plenty of light in. And then we head on out to the balcony with further views over the quays. It's a great first time home or investment. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.